An estimated 11% of travelers encounter hidden cameras. Over the last decade, travel has evolved significantly with platforms like Airbnb and VRBO, along with technological advancements, increasing opportunities for digital peeping toms. Hidden cameras have been found in changing rooms, college dorms, and many other locations. The anti-spy devices listed here offer a way to reclaim privacy and control. With the easy availability of spy cameras, visual inspection alone is often not enough. Anti-spy devices come in various forms but generally serve similar functions, detecting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals and uncovering hidden lenses in objects like alarm clocks and fake smoke detectors. A quick sweep with a hidden camera detector can provide peace of mind, using techniques employed by professional counter-surveillance officers. We have curated a list of the top hidden camera detectors available on the market, with options to fit different budgets considerations. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. DefCon DD1206. The DefCon DD1206 is a professional-grade hidden camera detector, ideal for those who prioritize comprehensive surveillance detection and are willing to invest in a high-quality device. It is equipped with dual antennas, making it exceptionally effective in identifying different signal types, including GSM, DCS, WCDMA, DCT3G, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi signals. The additional pointer antenna is notably more sensitive, up to 4 times more than competing products, especially in detecting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals. One of the key advantages of the DefCon DD1206 is its ability to scan for both analog, traditional VHF/UHF bugs, and digital bugs simultaneously, ensuring no surveillance device is overlooked. The device's 16-bar LED signal strength display provides a detailed readout, significantly more precise than most other detectors on the market. Another notable feature is the correlation detection function, which can produce feedback if an FM transmitter-style bug is present, adding an extra layer of detection capability. This function is particularly useful in identifying sophisticated surveillance devices that may otherwise go undetected. However, the DefCon DD1206 is not without its drawbacks. It operates on 2x AAA batteries, which might not be as convenient as rechargeable options, and it does not include magnetic field detection, potentially limiting its utility in certain scenarios. Additionally, its higher price point may be a deterrent for some users, as it offers more capabilities in the radio detection area than may be necessary for casual use. Number 4. JMDHKK M8000 3-in-1 Detector. The JMDHKK M8000 is a comprehensive 3-in-1 detection tool designed to meet the needs of security professionals and individuals concerned with privacy. This device combines radio frequency, RF, and magnetic detection capabilities, along with a separate hidden lens detector tool included in the package. It covers a broad frequency range from 1 MHz to 6.5 GHz, allowing it to detect various signals including GSM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and UHF. Powered by a built-in battery that provides 8 to 10 hours of operation, the M8000 comes with a USB cable for convenient recharging. Its signal strength is displayed via a 10-bar LED indicator, offering clear feedback on signal intensity. The device is compact, measuring 125 by 52 by 22 millimeters and weighing 175 g, making it easy to carry and use in various environments. The M8000 features a user-friendly sensitivity dial that allows users to pinpoint the source of RF signals by adjusting sensitivity levels as they get closer to the signal. For magnetic detection, users can switch to magnet mode and center the chart to identify magnetic sources accurately. A flexible probe with an integrated light makes it convenient to inspect hard-to-reach areas, such as under vehicles, while maintaining sensitivity to detect even small magnetic objects. This device is ideal for conducting security sweeps in meeting rooms, checking for GPS devices under vehicles, or ensuring privacy in hotel rooms by detecting hidden cameras. Number 3. G4 Pro. The Jepwco G4 Pro is a discreet and compact hidden camera detector designed to be as inconspicuous as possible. This pin-shaped bug sweeper is ideal for users who prefer not to advertise that they are using such a device. It features RF detection capabilities and a hidden lens detector, covering a wide frequency range from 1 MHz to 6.5 GHz, which includes signals like GSM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and UHF. Powered by a 300 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides up to 5 hours of working time on a single charge. Operation is simple with only 2 buttons, a long press for powering on and off, and a lower button to switch between Wi-Fi and full-band sensitivity modes, with the selected mode indicated by a glowing word. The top button adjusts sensitivity levels. The device also functions as a torch to help identify hidden lenses, adding to its utility in various surveillance detection scenarios. Number 2. JMDHKK K68. The JMDHKK K68 is a powerful hidden camera detector designed for serious users, known by various names like the Sherry model in the USA and the JMDHKK edition in the UK. It features robust RF, magnetic, and hidden lens detection capabilities, along with an infrared detector covering a wide frequency range from 1 MHz to 8 GHz, including GSM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and UHF signals. With a circular 10-bar LED display, the K68 provides clear feedback on signal strength, battery percentage, and alert mode. Users can adjust sensitivity via a simulated analog dial and the top dial, which helps to focus on potential threats effectively. The device includes an AI function activated by the right button, which uses a pulse-based approach to streamline scanning. It offers both sound and vibration options for alerts, accommodating users in various situations, including those with hearing difficulties or who require discretion. While it offers comprehensive detection capabilities, the K68 has a longer charging time of over 3 hours and is less portable compared to other models. Nevertheless, it detects 1.2G, 2.4G, or 5.8G wireless hidden cameras, SIM card bugs, 2G, 3G, 4G, not 5G, GPS trackers, radio waves, and magnetic fields, making it one of the most versatile devices available for detecting surveillance threats. Number 1. C10 Pro. The C10 Pro is a compact yet powerful hidden camera detector that offers a blend of practicality and fun. It features a wide frequency range from 1 MHz to 10 GHz, covering GSM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and UHF signals, making it capable of detecting both transmitting and non-transmitting cameras, regardless of their operational status. A camera finder with 2 sensitivity levels and 3 detection modes: visual, vibration, and mixed. This allows users to adapt the detection method based on their preferences and environmental conditions. Despite its small size, the C10 Pro includes an infrared detector, enhancing its ability to detect hidden cameras equipped with infrared LEDs. The device's hidden telescoping antenna adds a touch of novelty and practicality, making it easier to scan for signals in hard-to-reach places. One drawback of the C10 Pro is its limited battery life, offering about 10 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. However, it compensates with a quick 2-hour charging time, minimizing downtime and ensuring it's ready for use when needed. In conclusion, the C10 Pro is an ideal choice for users who require a compact and efficient hidden camera detector with a wide frequency range. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.